guys, what is up? About to swear, but stopped it. Jordan, don't distract me. We will be doing Can't Say the Name and Can't Say the Name because of copyright. One, even though I'm testing if we'll get copyrighted from this. I don't know, but please, YouTube, don't copyright us. We're just, I'm not going to say that because that might get us in trouble. But anyways, let's get it. So first, it's going to be another name I can't say. 3, 2, 1. Someone I'm a superhuman, what I gotta do to get through that I'm superhuman and I'm made of rubber, so when you think it says ricocheting off me and I'll stick the gluteum, I'm devastating more than the demonstration how to give them a coordinated audience. And I'm feeling niggas levitating and I know the haters are forever waiting till the day I crash that I'll be celebrating. I don't know the way to get them motivated. I make elevated music, you make elevated music. Next is another name I can't sing. Another name I can't say.
Does that swear words?
Bruh, yeah, I just realized I said the wrong word.
Oh no.
Yeah, this is gonna definitely get age restricted. I literally said the N word, bro.
The N-word?
Yeah, and it doesn't even say the N word in that song. I don't know why I said it.
We said the M-word.
Yeah. So I'm sorry about that. I didn't know, but I can't make another one. But here we go. Oh, and it is an anime song, so and more swearing.
It'll be hard, man.
No one gives a voice to the motherfucking grave, bitch. Just say the same, making no one never take shit. I don't talk about it, I just spit it, let the bass hit. You don't really wanna be the ones that have to run a ton of face it. Pussy motherfucker alone, a bit on a poop on brother, I better some back. I'm a bit on a jump and rip so quick like that. Take it around, pop up a flat motherfucker mad. Coming from the underground, they're losing the sun. I'm trying to make my brothers proud, you know I'm doing it now. These other rappers can't compete, they fucking hammering it in. Well, for nothing now, they just can't keep my name out of their mouth. They don't really fuck with the ones like us. They go see us as a threat till you free come. Hey, boy, you want your luck when the clock has struck. Oh, time come and take your frame and your time is up. They don't really fuck with the ones like us. I don't really fuck with the ones like them. Put them in a grave, bitch, eat my dust, and we're gonna get away, bitch, where's my pen? Writing down these lyrics, I'm igniting the paper. Guess it's safer to top them, I got the gods in my favor. Cause I'm a cowbell warrior, we ain't the same. I spit this shit, I guess I decide to drive him insane. Hey, pussy motherfucker alone, but on a woman, brother, I better. Pussy motherfucker alone, when I'm running, brother. Better back, I'm a bit on. Okay, that's gonna happen.
It's swearing! The whole song's...
Okay, well, that's gonna have to do the. I just realized. Jordan, you ruined the song, so I bet his ass. Okay, well, that's definitely gonna get age restricted, and if it doesn't, please, no under 12, I would say. No under 12-year-olds. Okay, peace out, Rap God and the other one is Cowbell Warrior. Please don't copyright me, YouTube.